In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase performance and FPS in Cyberpunk 2077 2.0. So first thing you can try is to go to Device Manager and update the drivers. So if you go to Display Adapters, right click and then Update Driver, you can here choose the latest version and then click Next to update. You can even update them by going to manually update them. So if you're using NVIDIA or AMD, you'll have to just go to NVIDIA, for example, and then go to the official website. You'll see drivers. Over here, just put the specifications of your driver and then click find. And this will give you automatically the latest drivers for your graphics card. So you'll have to download the game ready version because this is the one for gaming. So you would click view and then you would click down here. Let me just go here. You'd click over here on download to download it. And installation is very easy. You just run the installer. And if you have, let's say, AMD driver, you can go to the official AMD website and you can just go to drivers where it says drivers. So you can either download drivers for the Windows if you're using Windows or the Linux. So you can do this, and this will basically help you get the latest versions for your graphics cards. Now another thing you can do is disable any background processes. So if you go to Task Manager, make sure you disable any unnecessary software by clicking End Task. Let's say you have like games running in the background, disable them and make sure there's just one game running at a time. And go to Startup Apps and make sure you disable unnecessary startup apps by just right clicking and clicking Disable. Now next you want to go to CMD and then right click and then Run as Administrator. Over here you want to write the following commands. So type sfc then /scan now and then press enter. Once it's done, you can close this down. Next type run, then type %temp%. Now all of these folders you can just select them all and then delete them. They are unnecessary and you can safely delete them. And then you can go to this PC, local C drive, and then Windows. Over here you're gonna see a folder called prefetch. Now similarly you can just select everything and delete here. These are unnecessary folders, you can safely delete them. And then you can clean your disk by just going to disk cleanup. What you want to do is select everything here, then click OK to delete, and that should fix the issue.